Hello everyone! This is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet a cardigan. In this video, I'll show you how to work front and back parts. Complete details about the project are available at interuni.com/crochet lace cardigan flower pattern. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. In the first part of the video tutorial, I showed how to work the 2-row pattern. Now I'll show you how to crochet front part. For each front part, work just 2 repeats. After last double crochet 1, work unfinished double crochet, and then unfinished triple crochet into the arch of 3 chains. Then finish it. At the end of the first row, work 2 returning chains. Work the second row regular way. Insert the hook into the fourth chain from your hook and work double crochet 1. Then single crochet 1 into the arch of 3 chains and so on. Begin working your third row as usual. Double crochet 1, right half flower, chain 2, single crochet 1, chain 2, and then work 3 single crochets. Finish the row regular way also. Begin the fourth row as your second row, and after the flower work double crochet decrease. Unfinished double crochet and 2 more unfinished double crochets. Then finish it. And then finish the row regular way also. Begin crocheting your fifth row as your third row. After single crochet 1, chain 2, and work single crochet above double crochet decrease. And then finish the row 5 as your third row. Begin your row 6 as your fourth row. After the flower, chain 2, then double crochet 1 above single crochet 1 of the previous row. And finish the row 6 as your fourth row. Begin crocheting your row 7 as your row 5. After single crochet 1, work just 1 chain and then work single crochet 1 above double crochet 1 of the previous row. And then again chain 1, single crochet 1, and finish the row regular way. Begin row 8 as your row 6, double crochet 1, single crochet 1, chain 2, and then work left half flower above single crochet chain of the previous row. After the left half flower, work double crochet 1 above single crochet 1 chain, and then again skip 1 chain and work right flower. 2 chains and finish the row regular way. Row 9. After the right half flower, chain 2, then work single crochet 1, double crochet 1 above the double crochet 1 of the previous row, and single crochet 1. Then finish the row regular way. Chain 2, half flower left, and so on. Row 10. Work as your row 8. After single crochet 1, chain 2, and then work 1 flower above double crochet chain of the previous row. Now just crochet the 2 row pattern working 1 repeat. So after the right half flower, chain 2, single crochet 1, chain 2, half flower left, and so on. To crochet the second front part, attach the yarn into the third arch of 3 chains and chain 3. After the 3 chains, work double crochet 1 above single crochet 1 chain of the previous row. Then work rows totally the same as for the first front part. Work 1 more double crochet, right half flower, and so on. Begin crocheting the back part totally the same as the second front part. So attach the yarn into the arch of 3 chains, chain 3, and then Work double crochet 1 above single crochet 1 chain. Then work 1 more double crochet and so on. After you repeat the pattern 4 times, right before your very last flower, work double crochet 1, and then finish the row as your first row for the first front part. Work and finish double crochet and then finish triple crochet into the arch of 3 chains, and then finish it. After that, work the 2 row pattern without decreasing chains. Double crochet 1, single crochet 1, and so on. For the back part, work 15 rows or the same number of rows as for a front part. Then work a back shoulder part. For each back shoulder part, work just 1 row. After last double crochet 1, work double crochet 1 onto the arch of 3 chains, and turn your work to the wrong side to join back shoulder part and front part together. Again, this is my wrong side. To join the back and front parts together, work double crochet 1 into the very first chain, then 1 more double crochet, now work single crochet into the arch of 3 chains, make 2 chains, work single crochet into single crochet chain, again make 2 chains, work single crochet into arch of 3 chains, and work 2 double crochets. Crochet 1 row for the second shoulder piece also, and then join the back and front parts together. Attach the yarn onto the arch of 3 chains, then chain 2 to pick up the height, double crochet 1, and so on. Join the second back shoulder piece with the front part, just like here. Work one double crochet into the very first chain. Just again. Work one more double crochet. Single crochet and so on. In the third part of the video tutorial, I'll show you how to work sleeves and finish up the project.